process of on the MDX. This is for 2017 and up. Basically what I'm going to be doing is upgrading the license plate lights, which is the regular halogen, which doesn't even make any sense why you would put halogen bulbs in there. So I'm going to be upgrading those to LEDs, and I'm going to show you guys how. Okay, alright, so I'm just going to turn it off, and then I'm going to show you guys the process now. Alright, so now you just open the trunk. So you just press the tab here under the trunk to just lift it, right? So then there's going to be a cover right here, which you get it from the side here. You grab it from the side on this side here and just pull down, okay? And then you just, when you look under, there's going to be a tab here on the side. You just press that tab and pull down, and that's the connector. Then you just pull this gasket down, and then you turn the bulb counterclockwise, and then this is the bulb here. Okay, so I have the LED bulbs. Bulb size is 7440. I'm going to put a link down in the video description. Yeah, I'm going to put a link down in the bottom of the video's description right now. So if you're looking for the bulbs, I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is. I purchased these on Amazon. They're about 16, 17 bucks. So I'm going to swap out this one. Put this one in. And then connect it to the connector just to test it. Okay, so that's the same thing I'm going to do on this side. Let's pull this side down also. This side comes down. It's pretty easy. You don't need any tools. You just press the connector here. Pull it down. Pull the grommet down. And this is for the reverse light bulbs. And just turn it and take it out. So then I'm going to take this bulb, slide that out with the new LED bulb, put it in, socket, plug it back in, line it up, plug it back in, and now we're going to test it by putting the car in reverse and then check and see if it's on. If it doesn't turn on when you put the car in reverse, then you just got to take the bulb and flip it, and then it should come on. Okay, see, they're both on, and these are the new reverse lights. So now they're both on, so now I'm going to put everything back and catch back the video. Okay, so as you guys can see that it just came on, so now I'm going to put the bulb back in the socket, turn it, lock it in place, take out the connector because I put it in already just to test it, slide the grommet back on, put the connector back in, and snap it up like that. And that's it. That's how it's done. So right now, take the bulb out of the connector, slide the bulb in, lock it in place, put the gasket back on, slide it up, put the connector back in, then put the cover back on. And that's it. You're done. So then you just press this to drop it. So now that the trunk is down, I'm going to show you guys the new LED lights for the reverse lights. The difference. Look at that. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to show you guys what it looked like at night also. Alright. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.